Today I'm showing you the exact method behind the skeleton educational videos that are exploding on YouTube Shorts right now. These channels are pulling millions of views, insane engagement, and growing faster than anything I've seen. One of these channels is less than 4 months old, only 62 videos in, and it's already sitting at 400,000 subscribers with over 240 million views. And if you think these videos can't be monetized, well, their estimated monthly revenue is between $9,000 and $26,000. So yes, they are absolutely monetized. And the best part? You can create these videos completely for free. No paid tools. Everything powered through ChatGPT and a few free online generators. So stick with me, don't skip any part, and you'll be able to start your own channel, attract a massive audience, and start making money. Start by opening ChatGPT. Go into the Apps section, then head to GPTs. Search for Skeleton Shorts, and you'll see a couple different models show up. Click on Skeleton Shorts Topic Generator. This one gives you tons of viral video ideas specifically for skeleton educational shorts. Start a chat, hit begin, and when it asks if you have a topic idea, just type no. In a moment, it will load up a whole list of banger titles you can use. If you want more ideas based on one title, just paste it back into the box, hit send, and it will generate more related variations. You can build unlimited ideas from just one seed title. Save all the ones you like into a document or anywhere you store your notes. And by the way, the link to my exact prompt is in the description. Open the Google Doc link in the description and copy the prompt inside. Come back to ChatGPT, start a new chat, paste the prompt you copied, and then add your chosen title inside the brackets. Hit send, and ChatGPT will analyze it and generate a complete workflow for you. Scene-by-scene voiceover scripts, a full all-in-one voiceover version, and cinematic animation prompts for each scene. Now copy the scene-by-scene voiceover script and open the Explore section again. Search for Skeleton 3D and select Skeleton 3D Viral Short Generator. Start a chat and paste the entire script. Then type "Give one main prompt for each scene." Hit enter. The model will break down every scene and give you the exact image prompts to use. It's time to generate the images. Go to Google and search for Whisk AI and open the first result. Once inside, browse the gallery, then click Enter Tool. Set your aspect ratio to 9:16 and lock your seed so all your images stay consistent. Copy the main prompt for scene 1, paste it into Whisk, and generate. You'll get 2 variations for each prompt. Choose the one you like and download it. Repeat this for every scene until all your image frames are ready. Now it's time to animate. Search for Flow on Google and open the first link. Click Create with Flow, then create a new project. Select Frame to Video. Set your ratio to 9:16 and set the output to 1. Make sure the model is set to VO 3.1 Fast. Upload your first image, adjust it to portrait cropping, and save it. Go back to ChatGPT, copy the animation prompt for scene 1, paste it into Flow, and generate your animation. Download the footage and repeat the process across all the scenes. Once that's done, it's time to generate the voiceover. Go back to ChatGPT and copy the all-in-one voiceover script. Open your favorite voice generator. I'm using Google AI Studio. Paste the script, choose your character and tone, and generate the voiceover. Download and save the audio. Now we put everything together. Open your video editor. I'm using CapCut. Import all your animations and your voiceover. Place the voiceover on the timeline, then drag each scene into position. Trim any pauses in the voiceover, adjust each video clip so it aligns perfectly, reduce the original clip volume, and raise the voiceover volume. Don't add background music inside CapCut. Instead, export your final video, upload it to YouTube Shorts or TikTok, and then choose a trending sound or music directly on the platform. This boosts engagement and helps your video reach a whole lot more people. And that's it. This is the full, free method for creating viral skeleton educational shorts with zero cost and massive potential. If you follow this exactly, you can start your own channel today, post consistently, and grow faster than you ever thought possible.
Day 3 without water and your body is officially in danger. By now, severe dehydration has kicked in. Your blood thickens and your heart works harder just to move it. Your brain starts to struggle. Confusion, dizziness, and poor judgment take over. Your kidneys can't filter toxins properly anymore. Waste begins building up inside you. Muscles cramp. Organs shrink. Every cell is begging for water. Your body can't control temperature. Overheating becomes a serious threat. Without water, organ failure can start any moment. Day 3 is where survival becomes uncertain. Drink water, stay alive. Follow for more body facts.